Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily unlink your alarm volume from your iPhone ringer in iOS 27 or later. If you have ever lowered your iPhone's ringer volume only to discover that your morning alarm became too quiet, you are not alone. In previous versions of iOS, the ringer and alarm often share the same volume controls, making it pretty difficult to keep a loud alarm while using a softer ringtone. Thankfully, iOS 27 introduces the ability to unlink the alarm volume from the iPhone's ringer, giving you independent control over it. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that you have to scroll down a bit and choose sounds and haptics option. Then you have to disable the toggle for match ringtone volume, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can unlink the alarm volume from your iPhone's ringer. This small but highly practical feature gives you greater control over your audio settings, ensuring your alarms remain loud and reliable while your ringtone stays at the volume you are comfortable with. It's worth pointing out that if your alarm still seems too quiet after making the change, double check the alarm volume setting in the clock app or sound settings. Make sure your iPhone speaker isn't obstructed and test your alarm before relying on it. With the volume separated, you can enjoy a more personalized experience without worrying about missing important alarms or being startled by overly loud incoming calls. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily unlink alarm volume from your iPhone ringer in iOS 27 or later. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.